Good morning, friends. Welcome to our channel Base School, Dr. D.V.Ramana Murthy, PhD Official, an initiative of Ramadevi Foundation, Hyderabad. Leadership styles, theories, and applications. Exploring effective leadership in practice. Brought to you by Professor Dr. D.V.Ramana Murthy, PhD in Management. Welcome to part 2 of Leadership and Module 11 in our Powerful Principles of Management lecture series. Today, we are diving into the most impactful leadership styles, key leadership theories, and their real-world applications. From transformational and servant leadership to Huxley Blanchard's and Daniel Goleman's emotional intelligence model, this video is designed to help you understand what truly drives effective leadership in organizations today. Whether you are a student, a manager, or an aspiring leader, get ready to discover how great leaders think, act, and inspire. Let, let us begin your leadership transformation journey now. What this module covers? It covers leadership styles, leadership theories, leadership skills and competencies, real-life examples of leadership styles, case studies in corporate leadership, and summary and key learnings. The learning objectives of this module 11. By the end of this session, learners will identify key leadership styles and their applications, understand classical and contemporary leadership theories, learn from real-world examples and business case studies, develop insights on application of leadership theories into real-life situations. Major leadership styles classified. 1. Autocratic leadership. Leader makes decisions alone. Second, democratic leadership. Decisions made with team input. Third, laissez-faire leadership. High autonomy for team members. 4. Transactional leadership. Focus on tasks, rewards, and penalties. 5. Transformational leadership. Focus on vision, change, and inspiration. For example, Elon Musk is known for his transformational and autocratic leadership style, pursuing for innovation and intense involvement. Let's go in for detailed discussion of certain theories of leadership. One is classical leadership theories. First set is classical leadership theories. One is trait theory. Leaders are born with specific traits. Example, confidence, intelligence, etc. Second, behavioral theories. Leadership is based on behaviors, not traits alone. Third, contingency theory. Leadership effectiveness depends on the context. And four, situational theory. Leaders adapt their style based on maturity of followers. For example, Mahatma Gandhi exhibited trait and behavioral leadership through non-violent resistance and inspiring conduct. Modern leadership theories. 1. Servant leadership. Leaders serve the team first. Example, ethical and people focused. Second, charismatic leadership, personal charm and persuasion. Third, emotional intelligence. Leadership uh, leaders with high self-awareness and empathy. 4. Adaptive leadership, taking complex, changing environments. The real-life example, Satya Nadella's leadership at Microsoft focuses on empathy and emotional intelligence, leading to cultural transformation. Leadership skills and competencies. 1. Communication and listening. 2. Strategic thinking. 3. Decision making. 4. Motivation and conflict management. 5. Empathy and adaptability. For example, Arundhati Bhattacharya, ex-chairperson of State Bank of India, demonstrated a strong communication and adaptability during digital transformation in India's banking sector. Let's have a case study. Narayana Health, Dr. Devi Shetty. The context, making healthcare affordable. Leadership style adopted, servant and transformational. The impact, introduced low-cost, high-quality healthcare model. The outcome here is scaled operations across India with a clear social mission. The lesson to be learned here is servant leadership can drive both purpose and performance. The second important case study is about Tata Group's leadership model. The leadership philosophy here, it's value-driven, ethical leadership. The transition is smooth handover from Ratan Tata to successors. The model is mix of transformational, strategic, and servant leadership. The impact is sustained global growth with strong corporate social responsibility focus. The lesson learned here is leadership continuity and value alignment strengthen organizational legacy. The summary and key learnings from this module are leadership styles and theories guide how leaders engage teams. Effective leaders adapt styles to situations. Real-life examples show how theory applies in practice. Ethical, emotional, intelligent, and visionary leaders create lasting impact. Thanks for watching part 2 of our leadership module 11. We hope this deep dive into the leadership styles and theories backed by real-life examples and case studies has expanded your understanding and sparked new insights. Leadership is not about a title, it's about impact, influence, and integrity. Don't forget to like, share, and comment with your thoughts or experiences. And of course, subscribe to continue learning with us in this comprehensive Principles of Management lecture series. See you in the next module where we will explore new dimensions of managerial excellence. Thank you and good luck.